you on how to make money on Poppo Live. So if you're a new or old user, you need to watch this video to the very end to understand the ways you can actually make money on Poppo Live. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. So as you can see, this is my Poppo Live app. The first way you can actually make money on Poppo Live is by performing your daily tasks. And if you are actually a new member on Poppo Live, there are actually tax and reward given to new members. So by that way you can actually earn money. Now you can access the tax by clicking on your profile at the bottom. So when you go to your profile page, just like this, looking here, you can see where it says rewards. So clicking on rewards, just like this, you're going to see a lot of rewards you can actually do. When you click on daily, you're going to see the rewards you can actually do daily in order to get more coins. These coins can actually be converted into real cash. So this is the one way you can actually earn money on Poppo Live. Now if you're actually a new user on Poppo Live and you are a female, going live and staying on live for, let's say, 2 hours, there are actually rewards for new users who are actually female on Poppo Live. They are going to reward you for staying live for 2 hours if you are a female. It does not actually work out for male, so it works mostly for female. So the second way you can actually make money on Poppo Live is by visual gifts from viewers. Now let's say a viewer sent for you a gift on your live stream. You can actually earn money from that as well. Those gifts are actually real money. It can be converted into real money. Here on Poppo Live, you earn in points or coins. Now these points or coins can be converted into real money. So right here at the bottom, I'm going to go to my profile page. So right here, I'm going to go to my home page. So right here, you can see the live button on the screen. So when you click on that, this is where you can actually click on in order to go live. When you click on this, just like this, you'd be able to go live by inputting the title of your live, selecting if you want to chat, if you want to sing, if you want to dance, if you want to make friends, or anything you want to do on your live stream. Then hit the go live button at the bottom of the screen. And once you do that, you are going to start live streaming on Poppo Live, and everything you are doing is going to be recorded. People are going to come into your live stream and you're going to entertain them on your live stream. Now on your live stream, when any viewer send for you a gift, any kinds of gifts, those gifts can be converted into real cash. So that is the second way you can actually earn money on Poppo Live. The third way you can actually earn money on Poppo Live as well is by challenges and PK battles. Now let's say you go to someone's live and do some challenges. Now as you can see here, these people are actually doing a challenge. You can see that this one is winning and this one is losing. So this is another way you can actually earn money on Poppo Live. The third way you can actually earn money on Poppo Live is by going to people's live stream, just like this. Now right here on this person's live stream, you can see the gift reward right here. When you click on that gift button, this place where it says get coins for free, so you need to wait for this countdown to be completed. Now once this countdown is completed, you can click on claim and you'll be able to claim an amount of coin. And as I said earlier, these coins can actually be converted into real money and withdrawn into your bank account. So this is another way you can actually earn money on Poppo Live. The fifth way you can actually earn money as well on Poppo Live is through fan club and membership agency. If you're an agency on Poppo Live, you actually payments for agency. You can see fan clubs right here on your profile. Now if you click on that, you can actually earn money through the system as well if you are a member of any of these fan clubs. Another way you can actually earn money on Poppo Live is through referral program. Now let's say you refer someone to Poppo Live, you can actually earn a reward, but there is actually something you need to note about referring people on Poppo Live. So as you can see here, I referred 17 and I was able to claim only 10,000 points. Now this was not because Poppo Live does not want to reward you, but these people right here need to actually do some certain thing on their own account for you to be able to receive a reward on yours. Clicking on the rules right here, you can see what it says here. It says here, invite friends to register. Friends who download the app for the first time and complete registration through the link you shared or filled in with your ID in the inviter ID field during registration will count as a successful invitation. So only those people you actually send your link to that actually use your link to register their account are the people that you can actually receive a reward for that you actually invited them. So looking here as well, it says how to earn reward. If the invitee completes face authentication and the following tasks, you will receive corresponding reward. Note, the new host only counts 3 hours of live stream broadcast every day. So you need to actually advise those people that you are inviting to be going live at least 3 hours every day. And they need to complete their face authentication as well in order for you to be able to receive a reward for inviting them. So this is the way you can actually earn money on Poppo Live. These are the ways you can earn money on Poppo Live. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now in this channel I'm going to be dropping more helpful tips, so you need to hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.